Looking for a family SUV that sounds like a muscle car and drives like a beast? The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat might just be the wildest way to drop the kids off at school. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into the latest, and possibly last, of Dodge's supercharged monsters in SUV form. Design. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat hasn't strayed far from its aggressive roots, and we're not complaining. It's bold, muscular, and unapologetically mean. The refreshed front fascia, wider stance, and functional hood scoops scream performance. Even parked, it looks like it's ready to launch off the line. Performance. Under the hood? A 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 pushing out a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower. Yep, it's still the most powerful SUV in its class. 0 to 60 in just over 3.5 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard, and the 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth yet aggressive. Whether you're hitting the track or just enjoying a spirited commute, the power delivery is thrilling. Features and tech. Inside, Dodge stepped it up. The cabin feels premium, with leather-trimmed seats, red stitching, and carbon fiber accents. You've got a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a large Uconnect infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon sound system that's almost loud enough to compete with the engine. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat practical? Maybe. Is it fun? Absolutely. If you want insane power in a 3-row SUV, this might be your last chance to get one straight from the factory. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, drop a comment with your thoughts on the Durango Hellcat, and don't forget to share and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more car content every week. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.